Let's meet in Utkatasana. Bend your knees deep. Straighten your arms over your head. Sit deep. Make sure you can see your toes when you sit down. Stay there for 5 breaths. 2. Ujjayi breath. 3. 4. 5. Bring your sitting bones up. Make sure your torso is parallel to the floor. Ardha Utkatasana. Stay there for 3. 2. 1. Relax your head. Interlace your fingers behind. Use your core to bring yourself back up. Inhale to prepare. Squeeze the shoulder blades towards each other. Exhaling, relax your head. Bring your sitting bones up as much as possible. This is your forward bend. Navel to your thighs. Take a deep breath here for 3. 2. 1. Inhaling halfway. Hands on the floor. Tucking your elbows in. Knees are just touching your armpits. Looking forward in front of the mat. 1 foot. Maybe alternate foot. Maybe 2 feet. Bring your feet together. Bring your feet up towards the ceiling and jump back. Inhale to lift up. Opening your heart. Opening your shoulders. Looking towards the ceiling. Head first. Hips second. Down dog. Take a deep breath here for 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Inhaling tiptoes. Bend your knees, looking at the space between your hands. Right foot forward, left foot forward. Inhaling halfway, lift your torso up. Exhaling, falling forward. Inhaling, coming up to Utkatasana chair. Exhaling, Samasana.